The best smart toilets in 2026, from self-cleaning bowls and heated seats to bidet precision and water-saving tech. These top picks redefine comfort and hygiene. Stay tuned as we compare features, pricing, and performance to help you choose wisely for every budget and bathroom style. Links in the description. Before you shop with confidence this year ahead, today, right now. The Yulika 132 GPF Smart Bidet Toilet with heated seat, warm air dryer, and automatic flush Yulika U5 is a premium bathroom upgrade designed for homeowners who value comfort, hygiene, and convenience. With its sleek, modern appearance and intelligent features, this smart toilet adds both style and functionality to any bathroom space. One of the standout features is its fully hands-free operation. The automatic lid and seat open smoothly, while the foot sensor and one-touch flush system make daily use simple and hygienic. This touch-free experience is especially useful for busy households and anyone who prefers a cleaner bathroom environment. Comfort is another area where the Yulika performs well. The heated seat includes 3 adjustable temperature levels, making it ideal during colder months. The warm water cleansing system offers multiple wash modes, including hip wash, feminine wash, and massage mode. After cleansing, the warm air dryer provides a gentle finish that reduces the need for toilet paper. The built-in LED ambient light is a thoughtful addition for nighttime visits, creating a soft glow without the need for bright overhead lighting. The self-cleaning nozzle automatically rinses before and after each use, helping maintain excellent hygiene. An automatic deodorizing system also keeps the bathroom fresh and pleasant. Performance is strong thanks to the 1.32 GPF water-saving cyclone flush system. It delivers efficient bowl cleaning while using less water, making it an eco-friendly choice. The toilet is also built for reliability with a flame-retardant ABS seat cover, IPX4 waterproof protection, and a power failure flush backup feature. Overall, the Yulika U5 combines luxury, cleanliness, and smart technology in one elegant package. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to modernize their bathroom with premium comfort and dependable performance. Number 4, the Casta Diva Smart Toilet with Bidet Foam Shield, 4-season temperature, 1.0 GPF Auto Flush Heated Seat Warm Wash Dryer, 17.5-inch comfort chair. Height Remote Control A200TS is a high-end bathroom solution designed to bring comfort, hygiene, and modern technology together in one elegant system. It transforms a regular bathroom into a more convenient and luxurious space for everyday living. One of the most impressive aspects is its powerful 1.0 gallons per flush system with air pressure assistance. It delivers strong and consistent flushing performance even in low water pressure conditions while still maintaining water efficiency. This makes it both practical and eco-friendly for modern households. Comfort is clearly a priority in this design. The 17.5-inch chair height provides easier sitting and standing, especially for older adults or those who prefer added accessibility. The heated seat and 4-season temperature control system automatically adjust warmth levels, ensuring a comfortable experience throughout the year without manual changes. Hygiene features are equally advanced. The bidet system offers rear wash, feminine wash, and oscillating spray modes with adjustable pressure and positioning. The foam shield technology adds an extra layer of cleanliness by creating a soft barrier that reduces splash and helps control odors. The self-cleaning nozzle and automatic deodorization system further enhance bathroom freshness and hygiene. Convenience is delivered through smart touchless operation, including foot sensor activation and automatic flush after use. Even during power outages, the blackout flush system ensures continued functionality. The soft close lid and seat prevent noise and slamming for a peaceful environment. Additional features like the warm air dryer, night light, and remote control make daily use simple and customizable. Overall, the Casta Diva A200TS is a well-rounded smart toilet that blends luxury, cleanliness, and reliable performance for a modern bathroom upgrade. Number 3, the Formo Deco Smart Bidet Toilet BP80 is a modern bathroom innovation designed to deliver comfort, efficiency, and advanced hygiene in one complete system. With its pump-assisted flush, heated seat, warm water cleansing, and integrated air dryer, it creates a spa-like experience that elevates everyday bathroom use into something far more comfortable and convenient. One of its strongest advantages is the pump-assisted tankless flushing system. It provides consistent and powerful performance even in homes with low or unstable water pressure. The dual flush modes, offering 1.45 gallons per flush and 1.08 gallons per flush, help conserve water while maintaining excellent cleaning power. This balance of efficiency and performance makes it a practical choice for modern households. Comfort is a major highlight of the BP80. The heated seat ensures warmth in colder seasons, while the instant warm water system offers a soothing cooling and adjustable cleansing experience. Users can choose between rear wash, feminine wash, and massage wash modes through a self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle. The warm air dryer further enhances convenience by reducing the need for toilet paper and providing a complete hands-free experience. The ADA-compliant chair height design improves accessibility, making it easier for seniors and taller individuals to sit and stand comfortably. The soft LED nightlight adds safety during nighttime use, while the digital display provides clear information about water temperature, seat warmth, and drying settings. Additional features such as foot sensor operation, intuitive controls, and UL and CUPC certification enhance both usability and safety. The build quality is supported by reliable customer service and warranty coverage, ensuring long-term confidence in the product. Overall, the Formo Deco BP80 is a well-engineered smart toilet that combines powerful flushing, advanced hygiene features, and user-friendly design for a premium bathroom upgrade. Number 2, the Sanoxis Smart Toilet SNU5B delivers a refined blend of modern design, intelligent automation, and everyday comfort, making it a strong upgrade for any contemporary bathroom. With its sleek tankless profile and pure white finish, it immediately gives the space a cleaner and more luxurious appearance while integrating advanced smart features that enhance hygiene and convenience. One of its most impressive qualities is the fully automatic lid system. The lid opens and closes on its own as you approach or leave, creating a completely hands-free experience that improves cleanliness and ease of use. This is paired with a powerful 1.28 gallons per flush system that ensures effective bowl cleaning while maintaining water efficiency. Comfort is thoughtfully engineered throughout the design. The heated seat provides instant warmth during colder seasons, while the warm water cleansing system offers multiple adjustable wash modes for personalized hygiene. Users can fine-tune water pressure, temperature, and spray position for a comfortable and thorough experience. The warm air dryer completes the process, reducing the need for toilet paper and enhancing convenience. The smart control system adds another layer of usability. Foot sensor activation, side knob controls, and a wireless remote allow effortless operation of all functions. The LED display clearly shows temperature and system status, while the soft night light improves visibility during nighttime use without being harsh on the eyes. Additional features such as the soft, close lid deodorizer and ambient lighting system contribute to a quiet, fresh, and relaxing bathroom environment. Safety is also a priority with multiple built-in protections, including anti-leakage, overheat control, and flame retardant materials, ensuring long-term reliability. Overall, the Sanoxis SNU5B stands out as a premium smart toilet that combines automation, comfort, and safety in a well-designed package, offering a true modern bathroom experience. Number 1, the Formo Deco Smart Bidet Toilet BP20 Pro is a modern bathroom innovation designed to deliver luxury, hygiene, and convenience in one refined system. With its minimalist one-piece design and advanced smart functions, it transforms everyday bathroom use into a more comfortable and efficient experience. One of the standout features is the fully automatic lid system that opens and closes without any physical contact. This hands-free operation improves hygiene and adds a smooth, modern feel to daily use. The heated seat with low-temperature anti-scald protection ensures consistent comfort, especially during colder months, making every visit more pleasant. The cleansing system is highly advanced and customizable. It features a multi-directional spray nozzle that provides both rear and front wash options, along with a pulse massage mode for a spa-like experience. The warm water wash is supported by adjustable settings that allow users to control pressure and temperature for personal comfort. After cleansing, the efficient drying system offers multiple temperature levels for a complete hands-free finish. Functionality is further enhanced through multiple control options. Users can operate the toilet using a wireless remote, foot kick sensor, or automatic off-seat flushing system. This flexibility makes it easy for all age groups to use comfortably. The nightlight feature provides soft illumination for safe nighttime use without disturbing sleep. Hygiene and freshness are well maintained through the pre-moistened ceramic bowl, activated carbon deodorizer, and nano antibacterial removable nozzle. These features help reduce odor buildup and ensure a consistently clean environment. Safety is also a strong focus, with protections against leakage, overheating, freezing, and electrical faults. The durable construction and IPX4 waterproof rating add long-term reliability. Overall, the Formo Deco BP20 Pro is a premium smart toilet that combines intelligent automation, strong hygiene performance, and everyday comfort for a truly upgraded bathroom experience. Thanks for watching our guide to the best smart toilets in 2026. We hope this list helped you find the perfect mix of comfort, style, and innovation for your bathroom. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite model in the comments below. See you in the next review soon with more smart home tips and expert buying advice for everyone, everywhere today, right here, now.